Greetings and welcome to Peter's Passion. If this is your first time here, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you will not be missed. So without wasting much of your time, let's just jump right into the video of today. So today we are going to take a tour to a place I used to stay. It's called Slovo in Capetown, South Africa. So we're going to drive from Bothasek to Slovo, and you see the views, how nice the roads are, how nice the place is. And the place is a township. It's a dangerous place, of course, but I want you to see the other side of South Africa. But before we get there, you're obviously going to see nice views and nice places, nice roads. This is the good side of South Africa. But I will take you to a dangerous place in South Africa. It's a township. So without wasting much of your time, let's have it. So I was thinking of using another route, but let me rather use this route here. Okay, let's get going. Yeah, the sun is about to set, so I don't know if the video is coming out right here. Welcome to Slovo. Let me pull over here and fix my camera a bit. This is the township. These are the dangerous places here in South Africa. You can get robbed here easily. This is what you get when you're driving in the township. People drive reckless here and you don't have to fight with anyone. You just have to mind your own business and go wherever you are going. Otherwise you will have a problem with people here. Look how foreigners are living here, drinking. All these are foreigners here. You see, people don't respect even cars. You have to go somewhere else. You have to move to the side. They don't care that you are in the road, you're driving. They want you to give them a space to walk. Okay, I'm not gonna go much inside here because I may not be able to come out. Once I'm locked in these places here, I might get robbed. But yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is. This is how you drive in the township. I know this guy here. His name is Elliot. Abu. Madi. Oh, muda zai.
Long time zai.
Tiripo baba, tiripo. Ngoti muto torera. Ndirikumbo vlogger zvangu panapa ndirikumbo recorda ma streets em Capetown. Pa YouTube. Job, Monbada. Looks like there's a fight already that side. If you see people standing like this, looking at one side, look there. They're fighting already there. Told you the place is dangerous. So I might want to change the direction. Oh, there's a car coming again there. That is the only problem with these places here. Okay. Let me rather make a U-turn and go back. Because really, honestly, these people really fight to kill each other. They don't fight just to hate each other. See, people are rushing there. People want to go and see what's happening, but let me get lost before it gets bad. This is the problem with these areas. Man, you could reverse here, man. There's no way to reverse there. That's what I hate about these places. You see this guy, I was just saying these guys are shooting there. I came at the wrong time today. Whew. Let me exit this silly place here. Can you reverse, lady? This is what you go through every day when you're staying in these kind of places. You get people who don't want to give you away. You get rude people, and you don't have to fight with them. You just have to either reverse or say whatever you want to say politely. Especially when you see people drinking in the middle of the road. Rather use another way. This is what the people who stays in the township go through every day. You get people who don't want to drive, they just stand in the road. They don't care whether you're rushing to an interview or wherever you're going, they don't care. So I wanted to show you how the place is, but unfortunately people are fighting there. I think I had a few shots. These guys don't really play. They don't shoot in the air. When they're shooting, they shoot straight in the head. They don't care. I hate it when people like just stand in the road for no reason. Guys, look, I'm risking my life for you to see how this place is. Where our brothers and sisters are staying, where I used to stay. I stayed here for about 7 years. This is why I'm not really much worried about the place. But I know a friend of mine who stays in Summer Greens would obviously disagree with me and say, why were you there? Why were you there? What were you doing? But my brother, just subscribe. Just tell people to subscribe. I'm out here giving people views, giving people an insight of how these places are like. Where people stay. This is Slovo, ladies and gentlemen, and you can get mugged here. Yeah, that other side of Slovo is dangerous. People always get killed there. Look, people don't even respect that there's a car coming behind them. But here, I'm telling you, you have to respect them. Otherwise, they will throw stones on you, beat you up, and do all sorts of things. If you come here and you are a short-tempered person, this place will humble you. And you know, okay, let me rather not go that side. I'll turn in this way here. And you have to drive very slow in these places because you can. Okay. You see people sitting on the side of the road drinking. They are drunk already, and these are people to not mess with. Look at kids. You have to respect them. Don't shout. You bump them, the people will beat you very bad. And most of these guys are foreigners, our fellow brothers. This is my auntie. Yeah. Tete Saru. Okay. Just had to wait for this. These roads are just one way, so you have to give each other a space, give each other a way. Once you bump a child here, you will wake up in heaven. The angels will be telling you, go to the line. And you'll be like, don't push me, I can walk by myself. Look at this one. I think this is why also people here drive, those noisy cars, so that people can hear you and you coming, because my car is too quiet. So yeah, we are about to get into the street that I used to stay in. I'm not stopping actually. There's a few people that I know there, but I'm not stopping there unless if somebody sees me, I'll just greet and pass. Guys, I'm risking it, all right? So I'm kindly asking, please subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you will not be missed. I know this guy here.
Peter.
Elvis.
Mulise mda.
Uzirize.
Uribo.
Bo.
Long time, man. You still around?
Long time. Namta. All right, Namta.
I'm speaking.
Mtana wako lo?
Umdana wetu.
Okay.
Abona fana na.
Yeah, fana now, but intro, kokoto intro. Eh?
Uyabona intoko ziyafana intoko.
Okay, sharply.
Show Peter.
Much. Hey guys, I can't speak Xhosa properly, but I can say I speak actually maybe 60 to 70%. But yeah, the 40% is still missing. I'm still learning. The only thing I know better is to pronounce the words right. If I pick a word, I'll pronounce it better. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, this is a place I used to stay at this flat. Yeah, I used to stay at this flat. And I stayed here for so many years. And this place is nice. Nice and safe. I never got robbed here, but there were a few stories where people got robbed while coming from the bathroom, the shower. Because the shower is actually outside of the flat. So yeah. Ooh, the sun is really bad here. So yeah, that's about it. This township is a small township, and if you are watching this video, let me know where else in Cape Town should I drive to, where should I go. I do drive-bys and I walk in, yeah, I do street vlogging, street interviews. Yeah, so ladies and gentlemen, so this is it. I'm leaving this place here for today's vlog, for today's shoot. 30 minutes is not bad. Hey, look at these kids. So in this kind of places, if you're staying here, I forgot to show you a place, guys, that you need to all see. And I'll drive and come back. Also, I'll show you a place called Touchline, where you get to see all the Rastas, all the Zimbabwean guys. It's a beautiful place, guys. You can get anything you want there. Like pop, sadza. All of you sadza eaters, I'll show you a place you need to visit if you want to eat some sadza. Yeah, welcome to Touchline, guys. This is Touchline, Slovo. If you are watching this video and you are here, you are always here, just subscribe because you'll see more videos like this. Yeah, so this is a place I wanted you to see. It's called Touchline. A lot of Shisanyama here. All these guys, most of all these guys that you'll find here are from Zimbabwe. All right, so I don't think I'm gonna go that side. I'm gonna show you the other side. Let me make a U-turn here. Right, Dutch line. All these guys cleaning cars, buying. There's a butcher here. This is my favorite place actually. There's guys that buy meat there. You buy your meat in their butcher, they fry it for you. Oops, okay. Almost fell into a ditch. Look at these guys. These guys are foreigners also. They're standing in the roads. You know, when you're living in these places, you end up behaving like South Africans, and you don't. Okay, I'm not saying South Africans behave badly, but I'm actually saying you end up feeling comfortable. Instead of you understanding that you are a visitor and you need to respect people here, you need to respect the roads and everything, you end up behaving like you are home. But guys, we are visitors here. Let's be nice. Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you. You see all these people selling here? They're selling food stuff from Zimbabwe, Malawi, and yeah. That's about it. And yeah, thank you for today's vlog. Thank you for today's drive. It has been great. But unfortunately, I didn't get to show you the other side where people were fighting. Because it's actually dangerous there. You know, I didn't like that place from the word go. Like, even when I was staying this side, I think I went that side a few times because I didn't like that place. So yeah, brothers and sisters, thank you so much for today. It was an awesome day. It went well. Just came from church and I did my shoot. Let me know how it went. Let me know if you like the video. Just like the video. You know, do me a favor. Whenever you watch my videos, please, as you watch, click the like button and subscribe. But you know, the like button, the good thing I like about liking the videos is that the YouTube algorithm will push this video to more people, because as you like it, the YouTube algorithm will see that, okay, this video must be interesting because many people are liking the video, so they will definitely push it to many other people who might want to see it. So yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is. Brother Peter here, Peter's Passion, signing out.